Good day everyone, so I'm Deck Cadet Kinchas Olivo and today we're gonna talk about mathematics in modern world. So let's get started.
Mathematics is everywhere in our modern world, and it's especially maritime vital industry from calculating fuel needs for determine the safest and the fastest routes across the ocean. Math drives every decision at sea.
Geometric design. Use function to draw basic shape based on coordinates and dimension. Circles, triangles, squares, or more complex polygons. For arrangements, grades, texture, and more. For colors and styles, gradients, or other patterns to make your geometric designs full of designs carefully.
Logical in mathematics is more than just a theory. It's the backbone of decision making in marine industry. Whether if you are marine engineering, navigator plotting, logical reasoning guides every move. When system fails or unexpected bad weather hits, seafarers must think logically, analyzing data, identifying patterns, and choosing the best solution under pressure.
The mathematics of graphs play a role in the modern maritime industry. Graphs help visualize complex data like fuel efficiency, engine temperature, or weather pattern over time. Onboard engineers rely to monitor system performance and detect early signs of failure. In today's maritime industry, problem solving and mathematical reasoning are more important than ever. Navigating ships requires precise calculation of speed, time, and distance. Fuel must be calculated accurately. One wrong number can lead into delays, accidents, or loss of resources. Marine engineers use math daily to troubleshoot engine problems, to manage energy system, and to maintain safety standards. In cargo shipping, proper weight distribution is calculated to keep the ship stable.
Mathematics isn't just a subject we study, it's a tool we use to make smart decisions, solve real world problems, and ensure efficiency and safety on board. In the maritime world, math keeps us on course, literally and professionally. Mathematics plays a crucial role in our everyday lives, regardless of our profession, even for those who are not seafarers or involved in technical fields. Math remains an essential tool for understanding and managing the world around us, from a simple daily task like budgeting and shopping to making informed decisions based on data and patterns. Math is everywhere. Once again, this is Deck Cadet King Charles Olivo. Thank you for watching our video. Till the next video. Goodbye.
Ay, di, wala lagi. Good day everyone, so this is Deck Cadet Kinchas Olivo and today we're gonna talk about
Mathematics is everywhere in our modern world, and especially in maritime industry from calculating
You are marine engineering, navigator plotting, logical reasoning guides every move. Paspas ragyapon? Logic in mathematics is more than just a theory. It's the backbone of decision. Ay, sige tawar ay, sige siram.
drives every decision at sea. Ging.
Geometric design. Use function to draw kinupod sige
maritime industry. Graphs help visualize complex data like fuel efficiency, engine temperature, weather pattern over time on board. Onboard engineers rely on graphs to